Another mobile home that pays passive monthly income. I profited $26,200 on this mobile home in 90 days, purchased it for $8,000, and sold it for $36,000. I paid 3 months of lot rent on this mobile home, $600 per month, coming out to $9,800, which gives me my profit of $26,200. Now, I did absolutely nothing to this house. I purchased it, held onto it, and then resold it. The reason why I was able to buy it for the price that I bought it for and sell it for where I sold it for is because the seller that was selling it, he was an off-market motivated seller. He had another house, he was getting out of state, and he just wanted to be out. And I told him what I could pay for it, and we came to the conclusion of $8,000. I then sold it on seller financing, collecting a down payment of $10,000, which covered my all-in costs. I was $200 in the green and $600 per month for, I forget how many months that was, but about 6 years. And by doing so, here's a fireplace. I am the bank, not the landlord. So I do not get calls for repairs, maintenance, anything of that sort. I simply receive my payment every single month. Finding off-market motivated sellers and selling on seller financing is a great way to get in the mobile home flipping business and create real profits and passive income. If you want to learn how to get in this business and want to get my free training, how to make money with mobile homes, send me a message, mobile home training, and I'll send you over more details. And make sure to follow because I drop a lot of content on here going over how to buy, sell, flip mobile homes. I'll catch you.